All right, hey, let's talk about this building right here. This is a 30 by 60. You can see this homeowner had to get a variance on this property right here. But you're gonna see here, we have a few trim details to touch up here on the wainscot and so forth. But you can see how tight this is. I'll pan over here just a little bit, but a variance. But this is very, very tight. A 30 by 60, and I believe this is 12 foot tall, but you can see right here. Let's look at the white trim right here on the overhead doors. We still got to knock out the wainscot. Right here, white trim on the overhead doors. Let's go in here. Give you an idea here of the site here. Actually, this compacted very, very nice. You can see right here, diagonal bracing, 2x6 right there, 3-ply laminated columns, 2x10 baseboard. On this building right here, 30 foot. Again, we use Mitek Engineering, and all of our drawings are state approved, obviously through Mitek Engineering, or make them at our truss shop. You can see kind of the construction of the truss right there, 2x4 on this one. A bottom chord, and then a top chord. I don't know if it's MSR lumber or not. It could be, depending on the load on that. But a lot of you may have that question. When do you do a 2x6 bottom chord or top chord? But it actually goes on based on MSR, machine strength rated lumber. And again, we go off obviously Mitek Engineering and what they tell us and so forth. Give you an idea there, uplifts. But you can see this kind of, it's got quite a presence right here in the neighborhood. But let's take a look here. Let's go back here and pan out here just a second. Yeah, we got to come back and actually do the wainscot. And for more information, visit atticalumber.com, or you can call us at 419-426-BARN. Attica Lumber since 1925.